Hi friends, today I will show you how to take screenshot of full page on Chrome. Friends, in Chrome browser you can very easily take screenshot of full web page. I just show you. First open your Chrome browser. Now here search for Chrome Web Store. Now open the first link. Now in Chrome Web Store search for Go Full Page. Now here you will find the extension. Now click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Now our Go Full Page extension is added to our Chrome browser. Now I will just open yahoo.com. Now we will try to take screenshot of yahoo.com by using this extension. Now friends, as you can see, it has taken the screenshot of complete web page. Now you can very easily download it as PDF or PNG. Now here Go Full Page is asking for a permission to manage your downloads. Now our screenshot of complete web page is downloaded in PNG format. So friends, like this you can very easily take screenshot of complete web page in your Chrome browser. I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.